Today in this video I'm gonna explain how to hard reset Samsung Galaxy M34 5G. Turn off the Samsung Galaxy M34 5G by pressing the power button and volume down simultaneously. Connect your smartphone to the computer using the USB cable. Hold down the power key and volume up simultaneously until you see the Samsung logo on the screen. Release the held keys and wait for the recovery mode to appear. In the recovery mode menu, use the volume rocker to navigate and the power button to select. Choose the wipe data or factory reset operation from the menu. Select the factory data reset option to initiate the process. Confirm the reset and wait for the process to complete. Once the reset is finished, choose the reboot system now option. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your device as if it were brand new. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.